Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move Charlie Brown. Knowing how to do a first move has been important already, so links to that in the description below, and having good familiarity with leading footwork is going to be really useful as well, because this isn't the easiest bit of footwork to learn and to lead. So I'll put some links in the description below to some videos that will help you develop your footwork leading and following skills. Assuming you're ready for that, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. Before we start, it's going to be important you learn the Charlie Brown step. And the Charlie Brown step is very easy. All you've got is a feeling of one foot being up, one foot being behind. Guys are going to be doing it around one way, ladies are going to be doing it around the other, but you can practice it either way, and all you have to do is switch, 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 switch. So you're literally kind of hopping from one to the other whilst keeping the legs pretty straight, so you get the feeling of the body turning to change which foot is on the floor. You could do as many of these in the move as you like. From a musical point of view, if you had the music go ba 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 ba, you'd do that many, yeah? So doing it when there's nothing in the music feels a bit odd. It's one of those things that's only really nice to dance if it keys into something in the tune. But we're going to do forward back twice, yeah? So we end up taking 2 counts. So let's put it together. We go back left to right, semicircle back, we come in like a standard first move, we twist out. Guys need to weight the back foot, so we've got our weight balanced with the lady, connecting up and picking up the full width of the lady's back with that right arm, really important. Left arm's going to go over the top to lead the first step, and then we're going to hold the frame while we do most of the work with the right arm. Basically the guy takes his steps, holds the frame, and it transmits to the lady. So we're going to go through the front foot, we're going to go over the top, we're going to get the leg out, and then we go to switch, 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 and then we're going to twist the lady out, finish the first move off as usual, in, under and face, return and back. So from the other side, let's do the numbers. We go back 1, in, 2, preparation 3, we're going to go 4, 5, twist out 6, in 7, turning 8, facing 1, return 2 and back 3. Let's try it together. Obviously when you start using it, you choose how many you do. So 5, 6, first move Charlie Brown, you go a back, in, twist, 1 set, 2 sets, twist, in, under and face, return and back. And that is that. I hope that turns out to be something that's useful, and may you always manage to get it to link up to something in the music, otherwise it does look a little bit odd. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if it's your thing, hit the like button. Subscribing promotes the channel. Hooray to everyone who hits the subscribe button, because you're helping us get this through the roof. Notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything, and there's a music recommendation in the windows that come up in the last few seconds, which is a link to a music video which is going to be a tune which is nice to do this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.